Welcome
the deal,
back. Yes, we are here with Taco Tuesday. We went to our favorite place today, so we're gonna be giving them a review for you guys.
Yes.
Also, we're gonna be, we about to light it up first before, All right, let's get straight to it. Ready, babe? You wanna let them know what we got?
What we got?
Yes.
All right, y'all. Today we got some loaded fries, an American way. These is called Mexican fries.
Yes.
See how good they are.
What they would be considered American way. I got the same thing. I had got the same thing, guys. So let me show y'all mine's. The kind of meat that we got was the cream asada. We got all our sauces. You want to show me the chicken? The taco chicken. We also got tacos, because, hey, listen, it wouldn't be a Taco Tuesday without tacos.
Without the taco.
Yeah. Gotta. Yeah.
Dress them up.
It's like, Yep. All right.
Also, y'all, we got the good.
Not me. This is good enough.
For my Storm&Rays out there. So where is that?
We got our
Hey, how y'all doing out there though?
Yes.
Hey, we just starting this new YouTube. Sorry for cutting you off, baby. Starting this new YouTube, y'all. Sorry, I'm just let me eat a fry real quick, y'all. This shit good.
You want to just get straight in it? Put, like, for this last. You want to do this last? We got our sauces. We got our garnish. Our sauces. So we got the, and we also, you know me, gotta stay with my water until I get my wine. Alright. Yeah, I don't think I lit this right. We got her, she's all over me. Alright, y'all. Let's get straight to, we got some lemon. Alright, so I really hope that this YouTube take off. I'm telling you, this is something that me and my hubby was talking about doing for a very long time, and we just decided to stop procrastinating and just do it. Like, you know, then we.
I got a vision, y'all. She don't know, but she gonna be more into it than me right now.
Because right now, I'm like, why you keep talking about this? You know, so, but he's so motivated. He keep me motivated. Like, we gonna do this. Like,
yes, we is.
I think I be the one procrastinating more. Like, 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Oh, I'm tired. Like, you know, all types of stuff. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, thank you, Father Lord, for this food.
Thank
Let's get straight into it. Yes. So this is our Paloma place. We stay in Arizona. You can find this on all for the Arizona folks. You can find this place on, what's this? Is it Dysart and Van Buren? Dysart and Van Buren in Avondale.
Mm-hmm.
Good place.
Hey, if you live in Arizona and know some good soul food places,
Let us know.
Let us know.
Please. And no offense, you go with chicken. We're not talking about you. These fries, our hands is already washed, y'all. I know we just touched the blunt, but Our hands is washed. We know how y'all like to come in the comments.
I really need this right here because
Yeah,
I'm trying to gain weight, man.
for me.
You feel me? At least about 180. 167 right now. Turn all this to muscle. Eat real quick. But yeah, but I gotta say, y'all, this gonna make me gain weight. So y'all show love in the comments and subscribe for sure, because we gonna need it.
So, this is so good. I know it's like, what's so good about loaded fries? Like, what is like, you know, besides it just tastes like fries and just whatever toppings. Like, no, y'all, this shit is so good.
This shit hit different. It hit different.
This shit is so good. I mean, it's good. Let's put some tacos talking about. We already know some fries on day. Okay, so what you want on yours? Let me just do mine. I'm gonna add me some green chili sauce.
Red sauce.
Some onions. Is this where we could be? Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry.
A little drizzle. You know, a little drizzle. Hey, y'all, so look. Y'all don't think this is crazy, but I've never been in the kitchen a day of my life. Like, I've been in there, but as a grown
Like
man,
cooking.
like really learning cooking, I've never been in the kitchen, man.
Only me.
It's my girl right here since
14.
15.
Yeah. What was that? Be 15 years? What?
Yeah, it's always been 15 years, yep.
15 years, y'all.
So this year, I'm gonna step it up, though. I'm gonna get in that kitchen this year and learn how to cook. Yeah. That looks so ghetto. You just punch her.
No, you ghetto. Don't call me ghetto. See, with a Mexican taco, like, they so authentic. They don't even use a lot of stuff, and you grab lemon instead of lime.
Yeah, I don't lie. I don't like lime.
What's that about? It's so authentic and it's so good. Excuse me, sorry y'all. Caramel, y'all.
Out of 10 stars, how many stars would you give?
10.
10?
10.
These fries, I'll say 10. My taco?
I'm bored.
I ain't gonna lie, though. I don't like to dress my own tacos if I'm getting it from another restaurant. I expect them to do it. It's alright, though. I don't know. One thing about me, though, I'm a picky eater, yo. Really picky eater. Don't mind me. I just be eating.
And picking.
And picking. I agree with her.
Oh, that water's so good. Since I moved to Arizona, we barely drunk water back at home in Michigan. Girl, once you move down here, you ain't got no choice but to drink water. It's a force. It's a habit.
Yeah.
Is it good? Them tacos are banging. I think I want another one. You didn't even eat yours. Did you like the fries better? He like the fries better.
I like the fries. I don't really like the taco.
He don't know what he's talking about, y'all.
Need some seasoning for sure.
He don't know what he's talking about. What? You don't taste all this season? I told you they authentic. They are authentic. You gotta listen, baby. You just gotta roll with the punches and just dream of them seasonings.
I'm looking for a punch. What? You want to do something?
Yeah, the Aria or something. Okay. Let's Taco Tuesday. Toast. We already ate though, but you know, it's kind of too late for a toast.
I need to tell y'all.
It is so good. It is so good, y'all. If y'all have not seen my other video of me eating a crawfish, go check that video out. I already uploaded it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. But we gotta remember to say that.
Oh yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Hey,
Okay?
y'all, like and subscribe. Right here. You should see it right there.
All right. Like and subscribe.